Initialized.
Commissar's gonna be antsy after the motel. Get those masks on, gang.
This slow-mo never gets old. It's hilarious.
Caught him. Now, Commissar is around here somewhere. I guess they know we're not selling Girl Scout cookies. Grab the C4 and blast your way in.
Come on, faster.
I'll get the C4.
I think Manny should have, because he runs the fastest out of all of us.
Yeah, whatever. I'm still decently fast.
Are you guys through the door?
After him. Catch him before he gets away.
Oh, wait a minute. It's 12 o'clock.
SWAT on the way. Guess
Uh-oh.
I wanted to talk to the commissar about the battle at the motel.
I still see Fong standing out here with me, and the shape charge light is just blinking and blinking.
I think you're about to get disconnected.
The commissar has a lot of cook here, but he's employed scorched earth tactics like a true Russian.
Did we find the second floor?
The product, and if you don't get there fast, you
How do I
may
get
lose
there?
a whole lot of extra.
Oh wait, it's blue.
How do I get there?
Mount a drill on that gate and get it open.
Well, I'm following right now, like replaying.
I have no idea where you guys are. Yeah, I'm in the circle. You guys gotta help me out. Can you come back downstairs? I'm below you guys, but I can't see where. Penny?
I'm fixing a drill right now.
Alright, the stairs are where I am. Come to me.
Wow, I'm completely on the wrong side then.
You really need to get better at, like, trying to navigate this.
The thing is, it's random every time, so.
Is this thing back to normal now, or?
I mean, it's random for all of us, too. God damn, this drill. Oh shit, these guys are here already. Jerry, there's a lot of gray guys here.
Yeah, but in my view, everything is in. I'm like replaying everything, so I don't know what's going on. Am I back to normal? Do you see? Where do you see
You
me right
blew
now?
up the C4 guy. Right now, you're standing in front of the gate.
I just ran past all the enemies.
Yeah,
No, I mean they were standing there and they weren't shooting at me.
I see.
Yeah, that's decent for you. You got really decent.
What?
You got massively desync.
I said we what?
Desynced.
Oh. Where? Why are you still over there?
I'm
Oh,
right next to you.
You need to hustle it.
I guess you're still desynced somewhat.
Has to be another path. Don't get stuck anywhere. Keep moving up. It'll be worth it, but it's wasting away quickly.
Keep going up.
Right here.
Lieutenant, yeah.
Like I see Tenny and Manny fine, but
So you're out of sync with me, I guess? But I'm the host, though. So we're gonna be running between here and the gate, basically.
Yeah.
Or are we talking about here?
No, they're gonna just take him here. Just put it in a normal place.
Cover me, I'm putting the C4.
You're doing this for Hawks, so let's get a move on.
Alright.
Throw in another gear, will you? That pile of coke is getting smaller at an alarming pace.
but where are we supposed to go now?
We need to get the drill started, but I mean, the main priority right now is to stay alive. So if they start swarming us, we need to get the fuck back downstairs.
There's a bulldozer.
Yeah, where are the doors?
That coke will be a nice bonus. Back it, gang. That crafty bastard. He's using his fault as panic room. Let me drop you a thermal drill.
That one has a gas. They both have
Bulldozer out here.
Should I drop my med tags or bags or just leave them?
We need to start running because we're getting swarmed.
Alright, let's go.
We can't run into here.
Oh, we have to clear the path first. We're working good upstairs. Should we start the drill since it's here already?
No.
Ow. Yeah, I got sniped.
I can't believe I resync.
Oh, I guess today's our lucky day.
I forgot the path down, actually.
This way.
First aid kit
That's the
here.
first aid kits first.
Here's the first aid kit. First aid kit here.
Which was the way down?
Well, this is a door, so we just follow this way. Should be this way. Over here.
Where are we going?
Back downstairs.
And then we just make our way back to the medkits, right?
Yes.
And it's right over here.
Alright, so we hold out here, and as soon as we see them start converging on this location, we go back upstairs. Because they should be not by the penthouse.
Wow,
Wow,
he
the
sniped me
snipers
through
can see us.
he sniped me through the curtain.
Yeah, that's one of the advantages they have that you don't have. They can snipe you through the curtains, but we can't shoot them back through the curtains.
Yeah, it's BS.
It sounds like they're starting to arrive, but it's not yet.
Wow, they took our money bags. They're
Probably
starting to
taking
come.
us. I guess we have to stay away from them.
Well, it looks like the bag's coming down towards us, so they're about to arrive any second.
Did you guys throw them up on the top thing there?
Yeah.
I guess explosions must have set them off.
Oh, I said shot the sniper in like his knee or something.
At least he's not a gray guy, because those guys don't take, not gray, the green guy, I think they don't take body damage.
Yeah, they're starting to converge on us. Should we start moving or keep waiting?
No, not yet.
Why? Where are they coming from?
They're coming from behind us, yeah. But not
I'm
only a
getting,
few
I'm
of them.
getting the guys in the front.
I mean, there's hardly anyone down here.
Wow, the assault actually ended.
Alright, let's go upstairs then, I guess. I guess we lost one money bag.
It's okay.
You guys just ran past me.
Wow, I ran into like 4 of the hostage rescue guys right here.
Sniper.
Hold on. Alright, they should be down. Did you? Are we going back down? What's going on?
I mean, the point was to get these guys to chase us so that we don't have to fight through like 16,000 guys.
Well, they're all spawning here. What are we doing?
Let's go back downstairs.
We haven't even started this drill yet.
Nothing we can do because you want to fight all those guys to get the drill.
Well, we have to at least start the objective. Now
Well, I
black
mean-
and white.
I don't know, you... whatever.
First aid kit here.
And this is the problem, we can't decide on what to do.
You realize when you made that left turn, you took the long way around.
And Manny's abandoned us. Or we've abandoned Manny.
He's on the other side.
I have a feeling that, like, we're not getting anyone chasing us, so Manny's engaging all of them, and so he's just keeping them up there with him.
But that's not helping us set up the drill, that's the problem.
Right.
Wolf is down.
Get back, you! Get back up and fight!
Yeah, I don't know. The problem was by the time we made it back up there, the assault was starting again.
Well,
There's only 37 guys. We could take them.
the idea behind this is that we make all of them chase us down here, and then we go back upstairs, like, regardless of the assault.
Do we kill them on the way up?
Not really.
No one's coming here though, that's the problem.
No, I see them.
It's not many.
Whoa! Got me a taser!
The cops are deploying more snipers.
Alright, let's start moving.
Oh, I got downed.
Come along now. I can do it. I need a medic bag. Medic bag getting Bulldoze is taken care of!
They just sent another civilian.
Oh, now we know where cops are.
Yeah, I mean, they have to slowly make their way to us. So let's fall back again. We need them away from that ramp so that we can actually go up there.
They're gonna bring in the big guns if you kill civilians.
If I kill them, will that be...
I don't know. I mean, I guess you could, but then I don't know if they respawn upstairs or not. Because if they respawn upstairs, that kind of defeats the point, because then we'll just run into freshly spawned enemies. I think most of them are down here now. We should make our way up.
Give me a medic bag.
Oh shit, there's a bulldozer here.
Somebody help Dallas. Those are like sniper teams, folks. Careful now.
I'm black and white. Is there one up? Is there a medic bag up there?
I can drop them.
Negative.
Well, we have to drop it in a good place, I think.
Grab the drill.
Snipers are down.
There's a medical bag over here.
We should put our ammo bags down too.
Yeah, 3 snipers down on this side. I just took out 6 snipers in a row.
Let the unit do its job. We'll have the commissar soon enough. More snipers are coming in. The commissar's called in the big guns. The very big guns. Stay away from that chopper.
Yeah. Alright, they're starting to swarm up here. Should start going downstairs. Ah, shit, yeah. Nah, whatever, we can't fix it right now.
It's firing. Get out of the way. Now.
Black and white.
Need a body fixing it.
Lead the way
happened?
downstairs. I can't lead. I've been black and white.
Get to cover. Is the commissar up to something? Get those fires out.
Shit, there's still guys here from last time.
Oh shit. Need a med pack down here. This one's used up.
Wait, I don't want to drop my 8. Yeah, I don't want to drop my double one down here.
Wow, you're shooting me through the wall.
One snipe on.
If we do it this way, it's gonna take forever.
But
We won't even get 1 million XP from this.
no.
Extraction units are going for the hostages.
Like overkill is much better, dude.
Of course it is.
No, Death Wish is always for the challenge, it's not for the XP.
No, it was always for the XP.
I'm gonna use my street sweep just to stun them so we can run past them.
That's a good idea.
There's a sniper to your left.
Dozer's here! Dozer! Dozer out! Got the dozer!
More snipers are moving in.
Looks like a bunch of them are down here. I'm gonna fire a shot and we're gonna go. Oh, come on. There's a guy behind us. Get me up. Snipers are up.
Alright, we're back. Fixed. Let's get the Joe fixed.
Just to take out the sniper, otherwise I'm gonna die.
Yeah. I got one of them as well.
There's another one out there.
Whoa! Sniper!
Got
He's
back
down.
up.
Alright, they're down. Oh, wow. Another one.
No, he didn't.
He's down.
He got back down. I mean, got back up.
No, I went down.
Coming.
I'm getting shot at by a regular gun
Where?
First aid kit here!
behind the couches.
How the hell is he surviving back there?
First
Here's
aid
the
kit.
first aid kit! First aid kit here! Here's the first aid kit!
This is gonna take forever. I don't have
Such
auto
is the way of
restarting
Death
drill.
Wish.
It's here. We need to say
Yeah, because the Joe's gonna take way too long to fix like this.
Alright. You guys want to do that?
We just need to well, I mean, this way they're gonna bunch up a lot, so we just need to make good use of HE rounds.
HE rounds don't really do enough damage.
No, it's to stun them, so the rest of us can take them out. Because they're gonna be bunched up, so like a whole group of them are gonna get stunned at once.
Snipers on the surrounding
Okay,
buildings.
Simon.
You'll never get me. You clowns are done. Taser! Got the taser! Shield! Shield eliminated!
Needs to make 2 rounds. He's down. A2 rounds too good.
Sniper.
You got hostage rescue units coming in.
Il commissario faccio a terra.
Costco flashbangs.
When can I go to fix this?
Those are left side.
Aren't you guys stunning him?
Got the shield.
Yeah, I was trying to take him down, but I got hit by a great guy. It's none of those. Oh shit. Black and white.
Someone's shooting at me.
I need a medic bag.
Oh, what the fuck? It's gonna work if I have to go down every time.
Yeah, I was trying to inspire you to get you to run out of the fire faster, but the problem is it's on the other side of the wall.
No, the problem is someone there is shooting at me.
Those are here. I'm down. I mean, I had no ammo.
That's wrong.
We might need to retreat a bit. Yeah, we might need to retreat a bit downstairs. So it can clear out a bit up here.
There's only 13 guys left, actually.
Oh, okay, so we can...
Fix it.
Yeah, we'll hang out here.
Let's get back in the game, fellas.
Gotta put out the snipers.
Not even just the snipers. There's like a regular guy hiding behind the couches.
Yeah.
Snipers are gone.
The problem is I can't see him because of the fire.
Well, if you want, then hit the sprinkler.
Someone's shooting at me right now.
The problem is, yeah, I can't see because of the fire. I can't see where he's shooting from.
So turn off the fucking sprinklers then.
Alright. But you always say, well, let's leave the sprinklers on.
You guys are complaining about it.
Alright, Ramblers, let's get rambling. Fires are under control. Now, back to the job. Chase is down.
Well, they're getting crushed.
Somebody help James.
Black and white as well.
Somebody help Wolf. Dallas, get down.
Oh, great.